welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be doing the death straw challenge. So I'll go to the fridge, which is back there, and I will just have my eyes shut and I'll grab a random drink. Then, or whatever it is, and then I will grab a straw and I will still have my eyes shut and I'll put the straw into the opening and then I would take a sip and I have to try to guess what it is. And yes, I am wearing the outfit I was wearing in my Adele dance. If you're gonna let me down, Jim. But I will be doing this. Okay, so let's go over here. This is my fridge, and I'll be grabbing something random. Hold on, I need to grab my straw first. Where are all the straws? Found them. We use metal straws so we can save the turtles. Okay, leave that there. Okay. I'm gonna grab something random. You're gonna see I'm not gonna be looking. I feel like, because I love this so much, I feel like I already know what it is. Okay, there we go. Oh, and I like the texture inside. I can't get any. I don't know what that is. Why the feeling and how the straw went in. It's Parmesan cheese. Yeah, I knew it. It's because it's so soft when it goes in. Oh god, it's stuck in the straw. At least it came out. Now it's all over me. But I could also feel, I use this so much, I could feel that squishy, and I knew it was this and how I could feel the two sides. Okay, so let's put that back. And I'm going to wash my straw. Over to the sink. There's a straw thing on the dog. That is disgusting. Okay. Oh my goodness. And now I'm gonna go try it. Okay, it's dried. Now, okay. I'm gonna grab something from down here. What is this? Where's the fridge? I can't see anything. You can see what it is. I don't know what it is. I don't know where the name is either, if there's a name. Okay, so just scoot my iPad back just a little. If it makes a sound, I think I might know what it is. No, I think I know what this is. Well, I haven't got any bad items yet, hopefully. Oh. That's Coke. Oh, Coca-Cola, not Coke. Close enough. Okay. Yum. At least I haven't gotten any bad items so far. Parents always tell me to shut. Well, my mom, she always told me to shut this tight so it has to fizz. Okay, let's put that back. And now I'm going to wash my straw. I don't want, like, if I get something else, I don't want that combination. That's so gross. Ugh. Now, dry it. Oh, that's warm. Okay. Now, let's just go with 2 more times, maybe. No, 3 more times. Wait, how many things? We've done 2 so far. Okay, so. Okay, wait. Oops. Shut my eyes. I'm scared. What is this? Is that side of the front or that side of the front? Tell me what it is. My parents, we have so many containers like this, so I'm so scared of what it would be. And none of them are liquid, so I might have to like use my straw and dig in. Mayo. Oh my gosh. Wait. I think this looks bad. There's like brown stuff in. So, I really like mayo, but not like that. It's not expired, but that was so bad. Ugh. I gave my hopes up too soon last round. Oh my goodness. That tasted expired. That literally tasted expired. Oh, why did I? That was so nasty. I use mayo or mayonnaise, whatever you call it, for like everything. I put mayo in my rice, and I literally put it in my rice. It actually tastes really good. And I also have it with fries, chicken nuggets, everything. But not like everything, but it just tastes so good. But like, that was not good. I got way too much. Okay. Okay, due to that last round, I'm really scared. Let's do it, last round. I'm scared. Should I grab it from back here? This. Wait, I think I already know what this is. I think that one's closed. Let me grab it. I think this one. I think I already know what this is, dude, the container thing. Okay, where are you guys? Are you right here? Yeah. I think. Right? Yeah. I already know what it is. I really don't want mayo coming up. Where is this stupid? Okay. Yep. That's oat milk. Oh, silk milk. Whatever. It's the same thing. Yep. I can already feel by the container. Okay. That was the last round. And I only got one bad item. Yay! I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.